Dear friend, once again welcome to Open Talk. In this video I'll show you how to make huge money just by recording your voice, just by making voiceover for your client. It's very easy and simple job, but it's very demanding job. To do that, you have to open an account in a site. The site I'm going to talking about is Fiverr.com. I know all of you are familiar with Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform. You can find so many sites like that, but among those I found Fiverr.com is the most popular and secure, and also it's totally free. You don't need to pay any kind of money for opening account, opening gig there. So after going Fiverr.com, all you have to do is just open or register for an account. Registering account is very easy, very simple. Just write down your name, your email, set your password and username. That's all. And if you don't know how to open an account, you can find so many videos on YouTube regarding how to open an account on Fiverr.com. But I think you don't need that. So after opening an account, you need to open a gig. A gig is something like your offer and the job you're gonna do for your client. Suppose if you know video editing, you can make a gig about video editing, or if you know how to make a logo, then you can make a gig about a logo design. That's kind of job you can do there. So today I'm gonna talking about voiceover. So all you have to do just make a gig about voiceover. Voiceover is something like a client or someone will give you a script, then all you have to do is just read out those script and record it on your mobile phone or by this kind of microphone. You can use it. Just after recording those script, recording your voiceover, just recording those script, all you have to do just send your voice to client, maybe in MP3 format or WAV format. Then your client gonna use your voice to their YouTube videos or to their podcast or any kind of audiobooks. So by this way you can earn up to $100 in 20 minutes. It's very easy job. I'm doing this type of job beside YouTubing. So I know it's very easy, but it's very demanding job. If you go to buyer request section, you will find so many jobs available regarding making voiceover. So I hope if you have a good voice tone, you can use your voice to make money, to make a lot of money. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this voiceover or opening gig in Fiverr account, you can ask me here in the comment section. I will try to answer your question. And please, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Until then, take care.